got your identity. I got your identity.
You motherfucker! Change back!
No.
Change it back!
You need to leave too to change your name.
Alright, motherfucker! Are you fucking serious? I fucking hate all of you! I am Goose. Alrighty. Oh god, I'm in the core room. Oh shit! Codes! Oh, my mic was muted. Shit!
I was like, why aren't you talking?
I was like, god damn it, Codes! I keep hitting M because I think it's the map, but it's not. Wait, what am I?
I almost pressed the emergency button. I thought that was.
Oh, that's what that is? Whoops.
Yeah.
Well.
And this one's it's a button.
Okay, I gotta go do a task. What? I didn't even have to swipe. What the fuck, bro? I didn't even have to swipe my. Oh wait, we got a dead Codes. We got a dead body.
Oh, shit.
All right, who's the funny motherfucker? No, Hubcat, really?
Not me.
Really?
I seen Mana walk past me down below.
Same.
I was with Codes the whole time. We both spawned in, like, near the reactor room, and he started playing over his microphone, and they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming. He was playing a song through his fucking microphone. Codes, did you vote?
Oh, I skipped.
Oh.
I skipped.
Whoops.
Oh,
Fair enough.
I didn't. I skipped.
Of course you would think that I was me.
Yes, sus.
Don't start your sentence with "it wasn't me," dumbass. Hold on, damn it. There we go. Hi, Codes. Bye, Codes.
Stop coming.
And they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and hey. Hi.
Stop coming. They don't stop coming.
And they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming. Hi, guys!
Oh.
What?
What is going on? There's so many of us!
I know, right?
Where'd Mana go?
Yeah.
I don't know. Wait, where did Mana go?
I don't know. I just need to go to the hatchery. That's where my last task is.
Okay, wait, there's a hatchery on this ship?
Yeah, apparently.
We're geese. Why did I not think of otherwise?
Don't stop coming and they don't stop coming.
And they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and they... Oh,
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit. Tip tap, tip tap. Hey, Mana. What the fuck? Codes!
What?
There was a body, there was a body, and Mana just cleaned it up.
Where?
Where?
Right here in front of the panel! Codes, you were literally standing next to a dead body, and then Mana just
Oh my
wiped
God.
it up.
Hello.
Are you fucking kidding me, Mana? Are you kidding me? Okay, Aki, it's Mana. It's Mana.
No, it's
It's
not.
100%
No, it's
Mana.
not.
No. Aki,
No.
let me explain to you what the fuck just happened.
No.
Yeah, Mana, you
No.
shut up. Let me explain.
No!
Yes!
She went into the damn
No.
room
Listen.
and just slaughtered coders.
No, I did not.
Right in front of my eyes.
No. Don't you give him that
Yes, you
shit.
did.
I did
Yes,
not.
you
I
did.
went to electrical and there was a dead body in front of the panel next to Codes. I
There
thought
was
he killed him
no
at
dead
first.
body.
There was,
There
and
is
then
no
you
dead
mucked
body.
it up.
No,
2
there
seconds
wasn't.
later, Codes is fucking dead. Why
There
are Codes
was
and
no
she's
dead
both
body,
dead?
Manny.
There was
no dead body.
You're right, because there were 2 dead bodies.
No, it was
I'm sorry,
you killed
Mana.
him.
I'm sorry. I don't know if you.
Yes! Nice try, bitch.
I think I made a bad choice. I
You
don't
really,
know.
you didn't, Aki. You're fine. You're fine.
Will not be returned.
Can I just explain what happened there? Wait,
Okay.
Cannibal,
I'll-
you ate him?
Mana ate me.
Oh God!
Mana ate me.
I thought she was a
This is the only time
janitor.
I'm gonna say that I was eaten.
What the fuck? Is this stand here? What happens if I stand here? Nada.
And where?
Die.
I don't know, right here.
Who's dying?
Huh?
I don't know. I thought Aki said he's dying.
Yeah, I thought so too. What the hell? Hey, Aki.
Fuck you. Don't do it. Don't kill me.
Would you relax?
You're catching me alive.
What?
No!
What?
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 Maddie,
What?
oh no.
What?
Oh, oh,
What?
Oh no.
What?
Oh no. Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
What?
Oh.
What? What happened? What the fuck?
Oh my
Why'd
god.
you call?
So, Codes died,
Hey,
huh?
Oh shit.
Because I wanted to see if anyone died.
that's very
fuck?
convenient of you.
Mana was just running away.
Hey, I didn't
from
report
someone
the
that met
body.
up with me and
Mana was
I
making a
don't
mad
know,
dash
I
for
don't
Aki,
know.
yeah. Or maybe the other way around. Yeah.
I
Aki
haven't
was-
seen Aki anywhere.
Aki was dark. I found Aki like up top, and he was like, "Fuck you, don't kill me."
Oh yeah, you
Same.
saw Aki again?
Yeah, he didn't die like he said he was.
Yeah, Yeah.
Oh my
I
god.
don't think it's Mana.
I never
He probably
Nah.
would have killed me.
Skip?
Probably not.
Yeah.
I was with Mana and Aki when the thing got called, so
I think it's Hubcat.
I have a feeling it might be
maybe.
Hubcat.
It's the one
Okay.
vote.
Why do you think it's me?
Because I have
I
not
don't
seen
know,
you through that whole
You were
game.
the last one with codes.
Oh, I was.
Oh,
wait,
yeah.
I was with. No, I was with Manic.
No, I split
No,
up
you
when
weren't.
I was with Aki and Mana when the button got called. Oh, and we're back.
Let's see if we can find anything else.
Oh,
Oh,
the fuck?
Hey!
Hey!
How?
that was my last.
I knew it.
I was a dodo bird. Ghost, you're not muted, are you?
Codes?
Oh, I'm unmuted now. I was muted for the whole game.
Once again, I'm good, Goose. Hello? Anybody? Go! God damn, that scared me!
That scared
What's
the
going
shit out
on?
of me.
Same,
What the
same!
fuck? Anna, hello?
I
What are we doing?
Anna, are you muted?
Mana?
Anna?
Mana?
Anna?
Hello?
Are you muted? Wait, oh,
She's
she's typing.
Just type it in chat.
What'd you say? What happened? She knows she's
She can't
muted.
even fucking speak,
What
bro.
the-
Alright,
Big red
I'm voting
button.
Aki.
I got nothing.
What do you mean? What?
I'm
I got
gonna hit
nothing.
skip.
Wow. You
Skip
guys
it.
I
are
don't know what's going
fuck you,
on.
man.
Me either. Oh, Aki's chasing her? Oh god.
I was
What?
seeing both the whole time. I didn't see her. I didn't see him.
Am I
chasing
not
her.
allowed to have friends around here?
Oh,
You can,
also,
you
I
can.
just realized you can't see who votes for who. The ducks don't.
Yeah, they're all grayed out. And we're back. Oh. Yay! I just murdered a passing ship. Oh well. Hey, cat.
Oh, I'm gonna do a magic trick.
What? Ah!
What?
Hellcat was like, I'm gonna do a magic trick, and then she just popped into a vent.
Yeah, apparently the Snoop Goose can do that.
Oh, Coates is dead. How convenient.
Yeah.
Wait, when did he die?
Probably right before you did your little magic trick, huh?
I was doing the dishes actually, and
I
I
was
was.
in
It
the-
would be suspicious, but it's not Hubcat. I can tell you that for sure.
Are you sure?
Okay. Oh, hi.
Yeah, it's
There
because
you are,
I was
Mana.
born
What
with
the
her.
Was she talking out of a tube?
No, it's freaking Aki. He was chasing me.
What do you
I'll-
mean?
I'll
what
buy
the
it.
fuck?
At the beginning of the game, you were chasing
I can
me.
say it's
Wow.
not manic.
He is so
Thank
fucking
you.
mean.
I believe it's 100% you. I had no idea.
Amanda just hates me.
Oh, I don't. You just want to kill me.
I thought if someone.
Weirdly
was
enough, your
gonna
mic is
follow
weird.
Yeah, all your mics are
Yeah.
weird, actually.
Beat me up, Scotty!
Warp 9 engaged.
this-
Hey!
What the hell?
Oh, hey, guys!
Oh, it's Aki, it's Aki, it's Aki!
You! Oh my god.
Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
I freaking told you.
I voted for
What
Aki
the
last round,
fuck?
too! I am Goose. I am good Goose. Again. Guys? Hello? Fellow geese?
Professional.
Oh. Huh?
What?
Wait, what?
Pigeon!
Excuse me? You would just sneeze on everybody to win?
Yep.
What do we got? What the hell? Hello? Guys? Guys? Where the fuck is everybody? What the hell kind of shenanigans? Oh, hey, Aki.
Oh my god.
What?
Scared.
I've been trying to
scared.
find people for the last 2 minutes and I found, like, well, I saw Hubcat.
I seen people and then they
Yeah,
left.
I saw Hubcat and she's go up to the showers and then they had something like, hello? I heard a third voice. Who was that? You. Hello? Hello? What? What the hell? Oh, you motherfucker! I could have killed you! Oh, they're there. Were they all hiding down here? I hate this. I actually hate this. They're walking amongst the killer and what were they doing? There we go.
I needed 3 more ships.
Let this.
Oh,
shit. You dumb motherfuckers.
How long
Okay.
did she die?
What
It's
the
been like
fuck?
5 minutes, you dumb
Who wants to
fuck.
fess up?
Oh my god, you guys.
Well,
Don't trust Aki, don't trust
You
Aki,
never
don't
trust
Aki.
me.
Do
What
not
the
trust
fuck?
Aki. Vote him out. 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 You can end it. Are you fucking kidding me? It wasn't. I was a
She can eat her
falcon.
own body.
I was a falcon, not a vulture. I hate this. I hate everything about this. Seriously, where the hell is Aki compared to these guys? Guys, run! Run! Run, bitch, run! Oh,
Protect.
Protect.
Woohoo!
Protect. It was Aki!
Aki, you
That
motherfucker!
was a falcon.
You motherfucker! I was 2 seconds away from killing you, Aki! If I killed him right then and there,
Aki,
if I was with
Who did
him the
Aki
whole
morph into?
time, he stole my identity. But he never made it to you guys in time for you to see it. I was 2 seconds away from killing him. I could have won the game right then, right there. You fuckers couldn't see, but I was looking for you the whole fucking first round. I couldn't find any of you. I was so pissed.
Wait, no, nobody saw you that whole game.
I know. I was trying to find you, you dumb duck. Here we go. Oh shit.
Hi.
Hi.
Alright, I can't tell if it's here. Please don't kill me. I got
What the
that.
fuck is this color wheel? Shit.
Did you
No.
figure it out?
Not quite.
Okay, so. Okay. So. No.
However,
Hubcat. Hubcat! Run! Run, Eki, run! Run, Eki!
What do you mean?
wait, what?
Alright, well, here we go.
That will never stop
Hello?
scaring the shit out of me.
Hubcat's dead.
What?
Wait.
Wait,
Wait
what?
a minute.
She's
And
typing
now
again. Hang on.
dead?
Hi, Mana. No,
Okay.
we cannot hear you, Mana. I'm just happy to figure out how to do the morph thing on the first try. Mana left the room, I was trying to figure it out. Hubcat was like, okay,
Hello?
so do you know how to do it? And I was like, okay, no, but I know how to do this.
Yeah.
And then he morphs and killed her.
She stepped inching closer to me, and I'm like, no, no, no. She's like, I don't know. And I'm like,
I
ah.
said I'll
and,
be back.
and before you guys hit the button, I found out that Aki was the medium, and I was trying to say
Oh.
hello to him, but then you hit the button. I was like, Aki.
Oh. Oh my. Hello! Hey guys! Ahem.
Where's
Th-
Matt? Oh, there she
Hi guys!
What
This
do you mean?
town ain't big enough for the goose of us.
And you just.
Oh!
Oh,
What the
Already?
fuck?
Who won?
Oh!
What happened?
Oh!
What happened? Oh wait, somebody, wait.
What happened?
Did Coast got ejected?
Wait,
Coast disconnected.
Wait, what?
yeah, Coast disconnected.
Oh
what the
shit.
fuck?
Oh, that sucks.
Man, I got the
Oh,
sheriff
What
too!
the fuck?
Oh, there he is.
okay.
Oh. There he is.
He reappeared.
What happened? Who was the funny motherfucker? Jeez! Jones, he did it again. Wait, do we have the exact same nickname?
No,
hold on. Pause. The,
Oh, it does.
Oh, no, wait, it's an I instead of an L. That's it.
Yeah.
You bitch!
I'm a problem.